हेलो, आज मुझे बहुत सारे काम करना है। सबसे पहले आई जस्ट वोक अप एंड टाइम देख सकते हो आप, या 9:30। कुछ नहीं, टू द पॉइंट। आई एम डूइंग अ चेकलिस्ट फॉर दैट सो दैट आई डोंट फॉरगेट एनीथिंग। सबसे पहले एज आई जस्ट वोक अप आई एम डूइंग दैट ice bowl thing which reduces the puffiness in your face and all. I want to go and get my passport size photos done today itself because मैंने ये काम ना महीने हो गए and I have not done it yet, so मुझे वो भी करना है. Next coming to the point, मुझे एक और काम करना है, it is editing, जो कि बहुत सारे हैं. मतलब मेरे 7 रील एडिट करना है एंड 2-3 लॉन्ग फॉर्म वीडियोस एडिट करना है. बिकॉज इतना पेंडिंग क्यों है? बिकॉज वी हैड एग्जाम्स एंड आई डिडंट वांटेड टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट माई सेल्फ बाई एडिटिंग. सो मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया व्हेन माई एग्जाम्स वर गोइंग ऑन. सो वो भी करना है एंड थोड़े छोटे मोटे काम एंड I just want to write it as others. Let's get some shit done. हाँ, मुझे अभी आइस बॉल करना है. I don't know the name but yeah, that's all. This is the most I could do. मतलब मुझे ना 2-3 सेकेंड ही रह सकती हूँ मैं, और ज़्यादा हो ही नहीं रहा है एंड आई कांट डू इट. आई कांट डू इट. I am ready for the passport size photography. See, this is the coco peat.
ಗಿಡದಾಗ ನೀರ್ ಹಿಡಿತೈತಿ, ನೀರಿನ ಅಂಶ. ನೀರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹರಿದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹರಿಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರಿನ ಹಿಡಿದಿಟ್ಕೊಂತೈತಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ ನಾನು. ಅದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗೈತಿ ನೀರ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಅದ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಉದುರಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು.
That was coco peat. Okay, I'll show you it. So, normally जो soil ऐसे ही बाहर मिलता है ना, it's not suitable for growing whatever we want to grow, plants or flowers, whatever. This coco peat is very important because it is like very loose soil. It is suitable for these kind of purposes. So my mom has ordered some coco peat and is experimenting something. So I just wanted to show that. Wait, I'll show you the plants. This is methi, I guess. मुझे भी पता नहीं है. And ये यहाँ पे एलोवेरा है. And इसका मुझे नाम नहीं पता है. I'm so sorry, I don't know these names. And this one, this plant, I don't know the name of this. I'm really bad at names, but this one, when I brought it, there was only 4 leaves, okay? 1, 2, and piche wala teesra, and this one. 4, only 4 leaves. Now 2 extra leaves have been grown, and this one chotu sa, you can see, this is the new leaf that is growing. And I'm just so happy because obviously वो अच्छे से grow कर रहा है. So yeah, I'm just happy. And ये वाला एक इसका भी नहीं पता मुझे. Basically मुझे कुछ भी पता नहीं है इसके बारे में, मतलब plants के बारे में. I'm so sorry for that. ये एक मुझे पता है एलोवेरा, that's all, और कुछ नहीं. इसका मुझे पता नहीं क्या है, बट ऐसे ही है. Yeah. Hi. So coming to third task, I have to edit my video, जो कि है long form video. I'll start with the long form video because reel हम कर सकते हैं, मतलब short time में हम कर भी लेंगे, but long form is the major task. So I'm thinking of doing the long form video in the PC so that I'll get some time to complete other tasks.
It is made from discarded pharmaceutical packaging materials such as empty medicine blister packets and expired medicine and then waste medicine cartons and cardboard, waste paper and syringes.
Okay.
The face of the cloth is made from cardboard and newspaper, which we have taken from the hospital, and the artistic material is made from the discarded empty blister packs from the hospital itself, and the expired medicines and the cartons are used to just caps will be of waste, so we made use of that also.
Okay.
Our water caps, so it is giving the stability to the flower pots. So it can be stand. If only water is, it will like it make pulses, so it is giving stability.
Okay.
And it is best also plain.
Ready?
We made a splint used for physiotherapy of fingers. Sir.
Okay.
We are in this. What are the materials we use? Is cardboard sheets. Sir. This is the thread used from banana branch. Sir. And we use glue. only three things are used, sir.
Okay.
Splint will cost a very higher, sir. So that's the reason we are using from the cardboard, sir. The main topic is we have to convert trash to treasure, sir. We are converted as a trash into our medical use, sir, to educate the people about the what are the uses of splint, sir. In
We believe is the textile industry now the fast fashion is a trend. No one wears this color faded or torn clothes. So what we did is we chose the color faded cloth and we made this doll. And this doll is made of a color faded core, and inside this doll we have put the pieces of clothes which the tailors also throw. They don't use it when they make a cloth. So this textile and all contains the microplastics which are discarded in the rivers or the oceans nearby, which contributes to the global warming. It affects the marine life. So what I believe is if we give a second chance or use this as we can even recycle this. We can give a second chance and make something use and meaningful.
Okay. Nice. Thank you.
What we brush, that one also plastic. Like what we write even, that one also plastic pen. So our day starts with plastic, our day ends with plastic. That non-usable plastic thing, we made something usable thing. It is a cute little toy of train. So in this, I have to mention 3 points. The first one is something we did non-usable thing, the plastic thing. We had made some.
This is a non-electric air conditioner. Basically, this works on Bernoulli's principle. So here, it is wide mouthed here and narrow mouthed here. Whenever air flows from a wider opening into a narrower opening, its velocity increases and pressure reduces. This all causes the reduction in the temperature of the air. So you might have noticed when we say hot, the air that comes out of our mouth is hot air, and when we say cool, cool air comes out of our mouth. It's basically because of the outlet, which is narrower when we say cool and wider when we say hot. So this can be used in rural areas where there is no electricity or people can't afford air conditioning.
Basket. It is made up of plastic water and plastic covers alternating interval, and this is mainly used for collection purpose like glass, brushes or any items we can be collected. And this is a painting panel and video palette. We can use this for color with water. You can mix and we can use it for, and it is an eco-friendly purpose. And this is finally a drawer. This is any compartments in it, and we can put many different things in it.
Okay.
And tablets. And based on like if we are taking any morning tablets, different with the name labels can be put. And this is basically made up of cardboard. Generally these furnitures are made up of wood and those will be harming to our environment. So using this eco-friendly will be a big option for preserving our environment.
Waste items. So in this we have used the discarded cardboard used to juice bottles and a jute rope, clay, sand and a seashells. And for this we have used a cardboard and paint and newspapers. Okay, this is a deer, sir. It's a kind of wall art, wall hanging, decorative items, sir.
Okay.
And this is a beach themed art we have done by using those beach products itself, sir. This is a wall hanging and it's like decorative.
In the era where there was no concept of bacteriology and cholera was assumed to be an airborne disease, he played detective, summed up all the environmental factors, and it all led him to a water pump, declaring